I'm going to show you in this video how can I change your account first name on Wix website builder. So let's jump right into this video now without wasting any second. So what you're going to have to do here is to go here on the site. I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds. It's really simple. Actually, it's simple, but when I started using Wix, I was a bit confused about where to find the option to change my first name. But don't worry, I'm actually going to show you how to do it right now. So you're gonna have to click on your profile right here. Then here you have, I'm gonna click on account settings. This is just a dummy account for testing. So here you have also site URL prefix. You can change from here for those that ask me in other videos. So I'll change right now this to how to browser. Click on save. If it's not working, don't worry, just add something along the name. If that's not working either, just add something again. Now, if you want to change the account language, you can do it from here. And if you want to change your first name, you can do it from here. And if you want to change your last name, you can do it from here as well. So here I'm going to enter how to browser. Okay, perfect. Now from here you also have other settings, like you can change the recovery phone number. You can click on here, add a phone number. You can edit your password. You can confirm your email. Here, if you didn't confirm your email, you can also enable some different layers of protection on your Wix account. And you can also upload an image if you want. You can click on here, upload image. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.